It was a race that took place, I think, the very end of the 18th century. I remember working it out and I was terrified. I thought, oh God, people are going to laugh at this. But they didn't. They laughed with glee.
Oh, they did. No.
Well, what do you remember about it?
The Plains of Kildare.
Yeah.
I was enthralled the first time I heard you singing it because of my own experience of the Plains of Kildare, which was going to school in the Curragh camp. So I've got loads of happy memories about the Curragh.
But they don't go back to 1794.
Not quite that far, no.
Come, all you bold sportsmen, and listen to my story about noble Stewball, that gallant racing pony. Arthur Marvel's the man that first brought Stewball here, but to run with Miss Greasel on the plains of Kildare. And the fame of his actions we've heard all before. Now he is challenged by young Mrs. Thor to run with Miss Greasel, that handsome grey mare, for 10,000 gold guineas on the plains of Kildare. And the cattle they were brought out with saddle, whip and bridle. The gentlemen did shout at the sight of the gallant riders, in viewing the cattle just as they came there. Oh, they all laid their money on the Monaghan grey mare. And the order it was given, and away they did fly. Stewball like an arrow, the grey mare passed by. If you had been there to see them going around, you'd have thought to your heart that the mare touched the ground. And when at last they came to halfway round the course, Stewball's rider began to discourse. Says Stewball to the rider, can you tell to me how far is that grey mare this moment from me? Says the rider to Stewball, you're running great style. You're ahead of the grey mare, almost half a mile. If you keep your running, I vow and I swear that you never will be beaten by the Monaghan grey mare. Passed it quite handy. Horse and rider both called for sherry, wine and brandy. They drank off a health to the noble grey mare, for she emptied their pockets on the plains of Kildare. Well, I've always thought it would be good to rewrite it just for a joke one time, where Miss Greasel actually wins. Stewball stumbles and falls.
Brilliant,
but,
a follow-up, yeah.